Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable or turn on file and printer sharing in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Check Turn on File and Printer Sharing under Public. Check Turn on File and Printer Sharing under Private. Click Save Changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.